Hey guys, today's question is check if a word occurs as a prefix of any word in a sentence. So in this question we are given with a string sentence and a search word, and we have to search that if that search word presents in a sentence string as the prefix of any word in that sentence. Okay, so like in the example 1 we can see the search word is burg, and in the fourth word we can see it is the prefix of the word burger. Okay, so we have to return 4, which is the fourth word. Okay, so we have to the return the one indexed word that is present. If that word is not present, like for example in example third, search word is you, but you is not present at as a prefix of any word, so we have to return -1. Okay, and that's all. Like in the example you can see pro, uh, it is present here and here also twice, but we have to return it where it occurred first, so we will return 2. Okay, now let's see what will be our approach. What we will do is we will simply go to every word in the array and start from the first letter of the word, and we will also take another pointer at the first letter of the search word, so we will use 2 pointer to check if this word is present as the prefix of that word or not. Okay, and if we don't find that is this word is prefix of that word, so we will move our ith pointer that was in the sentence array to the next word, to the initial of the next word. So what we will do is we will simply go to the next space, and after going to the next space we will increment I pointer once, so we will reach to the next word. Okay, and we will check for every word, and anytime if we found a word that is that prefix of that word is will match to search word, we will simply return the index. Okay, at that time, and initially we will take index equals to 1 because we have to return the 1 based indexing. Now let's take I for sentence and index that we have to return if we found the word as 1. And now let's simply run the loop while the I is less than sentence dot sides. What we will do is we will take j as 0, j for the word, and we will move I and j simultaneously and check if the prefix is present or not. So while, again we have to write that same sentence, same condition, sentence dot size, and also j is less than search word dot size. We will check for every character. So if sentence of I is not equals to search word of I. Okay, if sentence of I not equals to search word of I, that means we have to break out from the loop. Okay, otherwise you will simply increment I and j. Now we will found the word only if the jth pointer, which was search word, has reached after the last index, which is equals to the size of the search word. So if search word, so if j reaches search word dot size, that means we have found that word in that sentence. In that case we have to return the index, which was storing the current index of the words. Otherwise what we will do is, I simply explained, to move the ith pointer to the next word, we will simply go to space, to the next space, and we will increment I once again, so to go to the next word. So while I less than sentence dot size and sentence of I is not equals to space, we will increment I, and after we reach the space we will increment I once again to go to the next word. For example, when the I is here, we will go to the next word, so we will increment I to this E. Okay, and every point we have to also increment index when we go to the next word. And finally, if we don't found any word in that array, in that sentence, so we will simply return -1 as given in the question. Let's run this. Current time error, here it should be j. Let's run again. Let's submit this. So the code is accepted. Thank you for watching.